Are you craving something unique and delicious? Look no further. Introducing our unique Roti Pizza. We've taken the classic pizza concept and wrapped it in a warm, homemade roti for unforgettable taste sensation. Packed with your favorite toppings and baked to crispy perfection. This fusion dish is a must-try. Join us as we create this culinary masterpiece from scratch. Now prepare to be hungry. The first step is to make a simple roti. Let's prepare 4 cups of all-purpose flour in a large bowl. Next, add 1 teaspoon of salt. Now, just give it a quick stir. Let's add 6 to 8 tablespoons of avocado or olive oil to achieve the flaky layers and stop the roti from sticking to the pan when cooking and ensuring a golden brown finish. Use your hands to mix the flour until it resembles coarse crumbs. If the mixture remains too dry, gradually add oil, 1 tablespoon at a time. Pour about 1.5 cups of lukewarm water a bit at a time and mix with your hand until a dough forms. The dough should become somewhat sticky and pliable. Continue kneading in a bowl until the dough becomes smooth and uniform. For a quicker approach, transfer the dough to a stand mixer fitted with a dough hook. Begin kneading the dough on low speed and gradually increase it to medium speed. Knead for approximately 10 minutes or until the dough reaches a smooth and elastic consistency. Return the dough to a mixing bowl, lightly spray with oil and shape it into a ball. Cover it with plastic wrap and let it rest for 30 minutes. Let's make a pizza, but first dust a little flour on a flat surface and the rolling pin. Then start rolling. You want to roll the dough into square or rectangles as thin as possible without tearing it. Like so. Now comes the exciting part. First, spread a layer of marinara sauce or your preferred tomato sauce. You can literally add any of your favorite fillings you like. These are just some of our favorites. For a flavor boost, sprinkle about 1 teaspoon of dried oregano on top. Our personal favorite on pizza is minced garlic. We just love the strong flavor that complements well with the other ingredients. Let's add a classic topping, mushrooms, for a meaty flavor. To add a touch of freshness, add some basil leaves on top. For a little bit of crunch and a slightly sweet flavor, add slices of red onion. Green peppers are a fantastic topping to make your pizza truly deluxe. It's time to add your favorite meat. We love salami, but pepperoni or a combination of both are excellent options too. And finally, we can't forget the cheese. Let's sprinkle some shredded mozzarella cheese on top. To enclose, simply bring the 4 sides together towards the center. Any extra dough can be trimmed away. And so, we're almost there. Start by gently pan-frying the pizza on a skillet or a large pan with oil over medium heat to achieve a crispy crust. This is where it gets a bit tricky. To flip the pizza, carefully flip the pan over using a tray. Continue cooking until the crust reaches a beautiful golden color. The last step is to bake the pizza in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes to fully cook the fillings. And there you have it. Our roti pizza is done. The final touch is to garnish with chopped basil. So, discover a new way to enjoy pizza. Crispy on the outside, warm and flavorful on the inside. Wow, that looks like it's ready to be devoured. We hope you enjoyed this fusion twist on a classic pizza. If you do, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Until then, we will see you next time for more quick, easy, and delicious recipes.